No. No, 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 no.
So guys, ato mi dito sa forest kinanguhaw mushroom. And mo na ko ang suot. Nag-andam para maadto mi sa forest mga halip mushroom. Ang oras karon is alas 12 sa mudto. Alas 5 sa hapon sa Pilipinas, guys. You don't get scissors?
It's my size. A special knife for cutting.
So, 13 degree, pero sa forest, mga 10 degree or 7 degree. Naapay ice ang forest. Autumn karon, October 21. So, niato ko before og forest, ikaduha na, ikatulo na ni. And I learned my lesson. I need to bring the gloves. So, usara ako nakitaan. Usara ako nakitaan. Nabot asa daw ito mo sa nga mayroon na ni kwartuha. Guys, kay they have a plant that there's moss tree. And sakit kaayo. Sakit kaayo siya. As in, grabe. And katul nga sakit. Muna siya gipak nga lamigas ba? Mamutod. 13 degree. Honey, we need to bring water. Or the juice.
We buy.
Okay. So ako ang my outfit, guys. Like that. Naapa ko ikuan napa ko pang ang sitaw ka ni. Honey, what do you call that my jacket, honey?
What?
What do you call my jacket for winter? How do you call that? The
What
black one. When I wear it last
Kurtka.
Rudka?
Kurtka.
Kurtka. I wear kurtka because kabalon mo, guys. Mangirig mo sa kabugnaw. You ready, honey? Not yet?
Any plastic?
Oh, don't worry, I have plastic. Or maybe.
Let's see.
Honey, here.
Nothing.
So, ganahan ko no. Ganahan ako katubang mara siya planggana. Balde lang. Wala man na pasikat ko pa.
Drunk?
No, I don't want to drink soft drinks in the morning. Morning pa parang bago muna pag mata. Excuse me. Ilan kami? So, ang ilang central heating nag-work na siya. Kaya bali na mugnaw. Naa siya'y adlaw apan bugnaw ra siya. Sumutag na ihangin. So ako nilabhan. Okay. Ready na siya. So ako ang muna akong isuot, guys. Do you need help?
You eat starter.
Give me honey. I help because you don't know. Give me. didn't know.
Nakan.
Go. Honey, use scissor, honey. Here. Honey, you don't want to wear your, how do you call that, honey? It's for winter. Because you said it's more cool in the forest.
That's nice.
Wait. I'm gonna bring this. Hey siya guys, gikan pa ni siya sa Kazakhstan. Bawal mag-fire, hindi ito magdalaan.
Maybe it's more warm.
We do like that. Ano siya guys, for travel ni siya, di na siya pangkuhan. I think I need to bring the scissor. Right. No. What is this? Ooh. Cold. Oh, fuck. Medyo layo-layo ng matuan. God, kabog na. Kabog na siya. So, grabe kabog na ako. Start yung degree. Ang horror ko guys. Siguro ko magdalagbag.
Oh, it's good knife.
Yeah. I'm gonna use that. So guys, nipalit akong husband og drinks na mo og snacks. Nagpabili na ako diri guys kay kapoy-kapoy na ko kuan mag seat belt. Over may kapoy ganyan sing tangga seat belt pero okay. Wow, man jud ang kinahanglan. So nami sa Pubieda. Store ni siya sa grocery store. Pubieda grocery store. Dari mi mamalit, dari mi siging palit kung maadaming forest, dari mi muagi. Oh wow. That's sure yummy.
I don't know. We need to try. I don't know taste. Шиповник, maybe you like шиповник. I'm very small because yeah, it's good. It's vanilla and шиповник.
Yeah, good. So, ano sa part, sa forest. Medyo guba na ang dalan. Or off-road. Biyahe di ay may 1 hour and a half para maabot ni diri. Pero diri guys, bali na siyang dadluga kay mag-ulan magud siya, pag auto mag-ulan siya. So lalong kayo siya. Did you see that? Pag-abot mo diha na ay mga karato lang ang beware sa mga baboy ramo. Fuck.
Big rock.
Baboy ramo o wolf. Kaya na diri mag-switch. Dako kaya ni nga pagka-forest. Honey, how many kilometers this forest?
From home,
No. This forest, this only forest.
say me from and to.
All forest, this forest, not from home.
Maybe 1,000 kilometers.
Oh my goodness. Guys, ilang forest guys, mga maabot siguro mga 1,000 kilometer. O na ilang forest na rin ba nang nakuha. So muadto mi dito sa ibabaw.
It's start from my city and down Black Sea and go under mountain, go to Armenia, go to another country. It's very, very, very big. Maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000.
Okay. Ang ilang mga dere sa Russia, ang oh wait. So kami yung una. Okay, thank you. So ang ilaha dere guys, dili uso ang building. Uso dere ang tree. Gina-priority nila ang mga tree dere. O dili kaayo siya ingon nga daghan kaayong mountain. Diri guys, makita nimo the nagdalag sa ano kanyang mountain. Ay, mountain guys. Layo or kayo na siya. Flat na siya, very flat. Siguro maybe we don't have really earthquake here in Russia kay flat man, di ba? So, raprod siya guys. Among sakyanan gamayan. Nagkan kay siyang lubak-lubak. Ilang forest dere guys, hayag lang ni siya ha, kay nangadaldag naman ang mga dahon. Atong forest sa atong bukid, ngit-ngit. Dere guys, medyo hayag-hayag yan siya. Pero dito dapita, ngit-ngit-ngit, dere yan yung hayag-hayag. Pero mas hayag yun siya kaysa kumpara sa to ang forest. Kay, basta mga autumn guys, maganahina na mga daldag ding mga dahon. Antod ngawa na yung mga dahon. So there is a forest na sila yung lake diri. Nakita na mo sa mapa. I say on the map na sila yung lake nga na ay ice. Doon siya, naa siya sa left side, pero muadhi mi diri sa right side. Ay mo adto mi dito sa right side. Adto mi sa right side. Kaya mangita og mushroom. So medyo layo-layo mi. So 4 times na dahil na ako na dili siya 3 times. 4 times na ako na siyang anhi dili. So first atong una na siya yung mushroom pero dili ka ayun lang. Ingon sila na ako'y nabasaan sa Facebook nga what if na ay snow sa Philippines. Siguro mga matay na ang mga pulubi. Wala na kaidaghan tao. Kabalo mo guys. Makatikig ang kabugnaw. So we need to check them out. Danlog ang dire guys. Mag-trail sila dire guys, pero dili motor nga duha ka bukligid. Kundi katong murag motor nga upat ka bukligid. Unsay ngalan nato? Mo na ila ko dire nya kay nisakay ko ato makahardok guys kay ang ka-drive guys murag hyper kaayo mag-drive. Mahadlo ko matulog ka. Mura kong mabuak pero sadya kayo guys as in grabe ka kuan kalingaw pero kulba lagi kulba mga 101% pero lingaw po mga 80% ano ba excitement nga matumba excitement nga mo ato mo dito na po yung mga kanin siya guys ang mga punis mushroom ilang ginabilin din ilang sakyanan.
Also parking here.
Oh, okay. It's a good part in here. So we go up on it.
No. Right.
Full of food. Honey, it's open.
Yeah, I know.
I need to try this. A little bit hungry, but do you want honey?
What is it, snozberries? What is it, snozberries?
Like this, our drinks? Raspberries?
Raspberries, they taste like snozberries.
Rasto,
No, no, no.
rasto,
From music.
roll,
Snozberries.
siya. Ganahan ko sa taste, pero I don't want na siya how do you call this, honey? The carbon dioxide?
Yeah.
I don't like. I don't have choice. We almost forgot this. Wala akong kita usan akong gloves. So, ato mi sa taas. Honey, my knife, honey.
Yeah.
Give me. Because
Yes.
you have knife. Thank you. I need to check where's my plastic wine. Okay. Napo siya, naara siya mga lagyan guys kinsa maganahan mag-travel, pero be careful lang yun sa mga wolf. Og wild pigs.
Стрекоза. Dragonfly.
Yeah. We have dragonfly too. In the Philippines.
Yeah. Live everywhere.
Honey, dragonfly died when snow comes.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, poor dragonfly.
Why for?
Because they're going to die every year.
Put eggs to water. Water go freezing when water go melting. In spring, eggs open. And
Hatch.
dragonfly live again.
Egg hatch when it comes spring and summer, but next year. Ang naka-problema ane guys, no? Kung moabot gani, kung musuroy mo o magabi, grabe na na siya kabugnaw. Kung example, dire sa forest 10 degrees sa gabi, mo zero na siya. Okay siya if wala siya hangin. Diri man god ang nakabugnaw hangin ang bugnaw diri sa mut mag-ulan guys, grabe mangurog ka mo dining ang mga tao injured kayo pag naiadlaw kay og pag summer kay inig when it comes to autumn guys, ang adlaw dili ano mo ma-feel. Naghan yung mga tao diri. Nangan diri nangita og mushroom. Magkakita na lang kung asa imong kauban kay ako man kun siya kaayo nga forest. Ang nakaproblema di ay wala ko padayon. Ang nakaproblema di ay ani kay lugos ka makagimok no samot adto ka sa public mangihi kasulay jud ko guys 3 layer ako ang gisuot dili na ka makapungko kay baga naman kaayo kabalo mo guys ang mga foreigner mo ato sa Pilipinas may tala ko suga mo lakaw no anad na sila diri dili sila hilig magsigig drive hilig sila glakaw nangawala ilang kauban kinahanglan mo siya para Medyo lapok dahil siya diri guys ng tawa. It's going for the lake. Mo na siya. And anhi mi dire kay ang lake guys nakita na mo sa mapa nga modulhog mo up mo angat guys kung maka try ra mo dulhog ug angat. Grabe ay siguro dili ko anat og dulhog ug angat man ko. Mong kapoy kaayo. Last na kong anhi dire. Di pa maaulan ko duha ka adlaw. Sorry. Prostitute.
Minute search entrance. Right side.
So duha naman di ay may ka-oras ng gabiyahe. And mo anhi mo diri. Kaya naaman siya yung way nga gamay. Kaya mangita ni og mushroom. Diri sa forest guys, dili ka pwede mag haling-haling di gibawal na ay multa. Og diri sa forest na sila ay checkpoint. Di ba? Atong checkpoint guys ginaaram man sa kuan highways. Among checkpoint diri everywhere. Yeah. Muna kung giingon, muna siya raspberry. Makatunok na siya guys. Mura na siya katong giingon nimo nga murag lamigas, mamaak. Grabe mo na siya oh. Pero pag summer, mamunga na siya, lami na siya kayo. Gani, muna kaning mga green. Muna siya. So from start here, we need to find the mushroom. Honey, you said it's not eatable.
Грусть.
Grust. Mushroom grust.
Very very bitter. Super bitter.
My honey's favorite fruit. Oh fuck na. Napusa na ako guys. Pero kanon na yapon na ako. Oh fuck! Honey, look!
Yeah.
And there, honey, look.
Yeah.
It's eatable?
No.
Anong dili man na eatable, oy? Oh, honey, I saw it. Look here. Oh, fuck. This is it. Guys, makaon man no? Napag itong usa. Pero I feel nindot kaya ni. Oh my goodness, it's more here. Only one na di ay. Hindi. So, akong husband to adito. Ani ko ari mamulong. Kaya dili pwede magsigig kuyo-kuyo guys. Oh wow. 4 checkpoint. Ang sila tigbantay ba? Kay bawal magud magtapon diri og basura. Where I need to go. Guys, pag lakaw-lakaw gani sa mga kakahuyan, bisan ningon ko atong luwas nga di na ko mobalik ra gyapon ko. Tungod kay tsaya kaayo ano bang imo mga mata malipay. So diri medyo hawan-hawan, wala na siya diri kay ipanguha na ato ka moadto ka sa mga medyo wala kayo agian. Mo nilang forest hayag-hayag ra. Hayag ra jud kay hayag-hayag ra. Kabalo mo guys, ang nakatsada diri ilang mga bato. Look na ay gold. So guys, unsa man na. Makaon ni guys. I feel na ko dili kay naa sa kahoy. Honey? Who are you? Okay, I'm go with you. Guys, nakaon ba ni? This. Kaon na siya, no? Yeah. It's good smell. Sa Pilipinas kita yung mga ana. Pero dili na nila ginakuha. Kaya naapay mas lami.
Black. Interesting mushroom like that.
Honey, can you hold, honey? And this too.
I don't know what is it. Similar like a champignon. I don't know this mushroom, honey. Don't harvest. Yeah, video still record.
Okay guys, I need to continue walking.
I'm gonna make video later, okay? Because we need found first.
Yeah, honey.
You focus to your video.
No.
I need your eyes.
Yeah, of course, my love. So that's why I saw this too.
And your turn from way, because way down.
Okay.
Let's help you. Not go down. I'll go to you because you need to follow me. You see on the other side. Yeah, try this mushroom. Try this mushroom.
It's not eatable?
Yeah, I don't know. It's similar. I don't know. If you want to die, you can try. You know, you die.
Guys, wak may kabulog sa mushroom makaon. Nambala na sa kong honey is only one type.
No.
It's not?
No, it's not. No, 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 no.
Oh.
Maybe now it's more spoiled.
A pink mushroom. Oh. It's eatable.
Yeah, it's so old. It's not. It's like a wood now, very hard.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good smell, not have poison. When young, it's easy for cutting and soft to try. Smells like actually fish. Oh,
Yeah.
it's easy for found because
It's in the tree.
growing like that, maybe a little bit highness and very bright.
Very nice.
You're just like that and see everywhere.
Ang tawa na niya na eh. Sa mga baboy ra mo na siya mag-agid-id siya. They have a like this. Like, ano mo nakitaan, guys? Where? Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Yeah. That?
It's not like that. It's
Wala ko kabalo, guys. Ug unsa among gipangita. Daghan naman unta oh. Honey. How many sticks did you smoke in one day, honey? 23. Iha kong gitubag 23. Oh, look. Very white. Look, honey. Oh, it's slimy. Is this eatable? No.
yeah, it's this.
What is this? Eatable?
Yeah, it's old. It's another type. Yeah, this. It's old, very old.
Oh, yeah, yeah, honey. Yeah, it's good.
You see? It's more.
Good.
Old.
How about the small?
No, it's old. It's also a helmet and growing on tree. Because опята опенок have more.
Oh, yeah, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Oh, we found it.
It's small.
It's okay. At least we found it.
I'm scared
Yeah.
this color.
You didn't know?
Look, it's have similar with poison with this color. It's all correct. It's still old, you see?
Yeah.
And
I think we need more brightness in that.
yeah,
Oh, it's more
see,
here.
Yeah, I see a little bit green, yellow. It's danger color for me.
Look. Oh, yeah. That's it.
No, I see. Oh. And this not correct.
Look, it's very more. Look. Oh my god, it's really, really more. And this, and that, and the green one.
Oh.
Maybe that young.
Yeah. Correct.
Correct?
Mhm.
But it's old. Not eatable?
No, it's eatable only шляпка.
Oh, you
Stick,
eat only
stick,
here?
Stick not eatable.
You eat only like this?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Uh,
In the
st-
Philippines, it's more tasty, this stick of the
stick
mushroom.
like this stick with taste. Okay.
We need to get?
Yeah, go harvest here.
Okay.
Don't harvest it growing alone. Okay? Push button. You need or open like that, or if just push like that. And try remove leaves, entity, because when we arrive home it's like a mush meat. It's hard to clean. Yeah, and look, after we need it, you see white. It's spore. Need check. If spore white, it's eatable.
God, you have
And you need plastic?
no honey. This
Don't harvest old like that.
look honey, another honey. It's eatable.
You see? Look. Compare. How link. You see? I told you, don't touch if you not know when you touch eatable. Miceli. Look. It's grip. It's mushroom. It's not mushroom. It's penis. Yeah, honey. Mushroom live on the ground. Yeah, it's yum. With this, I'm sure it's yum.
Yeah.
It's very tasty when yum.
It's like the same honey when I found it.
Yeah, it's another. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think enough and we go home.
Oh fuck.
Come here. Turn this side. Look.
From this side.
It's around from 2-3. And you see all growing with it's fuck. Колючая. Small entity.
Oh my goodness, honey, it's very itchy and hurt.
Yeah,
Oh, there's a bluish again. Look. Yeah. Ah, hurt.
Okay.
More they can.
Happy.
Lawas sa libgos. Bulak. Yeah, we call it flowers. We have almond.
Uh-huh.
And big.
Need just found by growing in enough 2-3 places.
Yeah, that's good. We go in here. Oh,
No need.
did you see that? But I know I like. Oh, we try. I told you the more tasty is in the stick of the mushroom. So that's I knew it, guys. Guys, under in the leaves.
And we go home.
And we need to go home. So, amo na kuha guys, mga 10 kilo. Tanan. Ay, pakita na ko ang 10 igi-agian. Bakilid. Ah. Did you see that? It's bakilid. Honey, wait for me. Medyo flat na. You need help?
No.
Gugun niya paguniton kasi kong kadagma. Papaulit na mi. Gikan from alas 2 to 16. Kung na'y bahala magpinta na guys. Ang 16 guys, alas 4 diri ha. Alas 2:14. 2 hours. 2 hours and we have a lot of mushroom. Ay mushroom nga lain-lain. Wala mo kung may kabalo og makaon ba og dili. Ang among na balan is only 2 types of mushroom. The first one, katong gagmay nga magkumpul-kumpul nga dili mo bukad. And the second one, this type of mushroom. Mo siya pink. And mo na siya poison mushroom. Mo na siya ginakuha itong first na anime diri. Daghan kayo. Oh, it's very big. This one going spoiled. Na siya hole sa tunga. Honey, why did you...
Yeah, it's грусть. It's bitter.
Yan, tilawan. Wala siya kabalo. Go right side?
45 degree to right.
Okay. 45 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to check the map.
You see?
Yeah.
Our car, like that.
Pag bugno gani, ang unang mo sakit nimo imong tudlo. Ang next, ang mo sakit nimo imong dalunggan. And the third, imong ilong. Kay bugno yung mahanggab ka. Oh fuck, naisay garapata guys. Ah, honey. Oh fuck.
Run away. I have more, don't worry.
Ah, me too.
Oh, good mushroom.
I'm scared.
You see?
Where?
On tree.
With that?
Yeah.
Yeah, honey. Hey guys, nakoy lain-laan nga rocks there from everywhere.
Hello? What's over here?
Checkpoint.
Oh no, it's hunter feet here.
Ah, it's not allowed for hunter.
And hunting animal. Sweet sour.
I never try. Wait. Raspberry. Muna siya bunga sa atong hait kaayo guys. Yummy.
Poised, yeah. It's water positive recently. Earlier.
Area.
Daily. Yeah?
Lapok.
Right. Look.
We have like this one but we ate in the Philippines. But here it's not eatable. Katong white nga kung nakitaan nga murag mubukhad pa lang nga payong. Same sa libgo sa Pilipinas. But my husband said it's not eatable. He don't know what type of mushroom is it.
Need harvest mushroom if you only knowing this mushroom. Taste, look, smell, all small details. If you not know this mushroom, don't harvest, don't touch. After if you touch, you need a little bit clean or better clean your hands because sometimes poison can absorb it through skin.
Harasyo. Na ako nabatian hindi tinuod niya. Na ako nabatian nga. Usa ka lalaki na ibog sa girl. Unya, babaero ni siya. Unya tungod sa iyang kababaero na nakuan siya na bang murag di nakatingog sa girl. Kaya in love kaayo siya. Dayon iyang gihimo guys, ana iyang best friend nga girl nga. Paliti og bulak or unsa iyang gusto. Ingon ang boy wala siya kabalo kung ganaon sa iyang ganahan. So ang boy ug ang girl best friend ni adto sa marketplace. Og nihapit sa tindahan ni palit siya og bulak sa kalubasa instead of flowers of roses or sunflower anything. Bulak sa kalubasa ay gipalit. home, guys. This is my home. We live in here. And the forest start in here. So, doon ra kayo sa mo ang kuan. And abot na siya dira.
Black Sea.
This is the Black Sea. And mo na siya yung forest, guys. Mo na siya yung forest. Babali na siya dakuha. Pero ni Anhi rami dire, where honey? In this heart. Oh, here. Ni Anhi may ari na, wait. Ani nga dapit.
not here. Upper.
Here.
Star. Yellow star.
Here. Ni Anhi may ani, guys.
Yeah, we walk here.
So, naglakaw mi. Mora na mo nilakwan, guys, ha? How many kilometers you walk today, honey?
Maybe 3.
3 kilometers, guys. Naka-found, dayon may uguan mushroom. Hala, wow.
It's all forest. It's Georgia,
I like this, honey.
Armenia, Azerbaijan. We
Yeah.
have here. It's still one forest. It's all forest. Even you say forest one done. It's not done. It's not 1,000, maybe 3,000 kilometers, maybe 5,000 kilometers.
So, this is a mushroom, mom. Kurupit. How do you cook this? Just,
Just bread.
fried?
Kartoffel.
Drink all. Cake niya siya, guys. Tinapulan niya cake ba? Made by honey. Palami siya, pero tinapulan. Gi-circle ra siya. Gipatungag chocolate. Gipatungag icing. Oh, this is cake by honey. Tinapulan nga cake and it a bit smaller. Icing and a little bit chocolate in upper.